Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder stuck. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder stuck, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list of apps, you will go to the window of Tinder. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we'll enter to clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find Tinder here and you will click in this blue sign, update if you will find it in this sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.